everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art. Hope everybody's doing good out there. I'm continuing along here just to get through the 12 tiles I have left to do. So now I've got an idea to make some more tiles, and I have a different color palette this time. This is Chantilly from Prism. This is 24 karat gold. This is a combination of burnt sienna and nickel azo gold by Glidden. This is Arteza's Prussian blue, and then this here is Glidden's bronze. And this is all for the bloom recipe, and I've got my white and black cell activator I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using my leftover scrapings, my bloom scrapings. And the tiles I was doing yesterday were coming out really nice. Here's a couple of them from yesterday, and they're mostly dry already. This has got a navy blue, and this is just most of these colors, except I have DecoArt's obsidian in this. So now I'm just making tiles to either sell or to give away as gifts to my new neighbors when I get to North Carolina. One or the other. Okay, I'm gonna get my pillow down and then we'll get started. I'll be right back. All right, I did just thicken up my black cell activator. I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully it is the right consistency now, because I think it was sinking too quickly. Shouldn't have been sinking that fast. All right, so here we go. Chantilly, Prizmpour, nickel azo gold combo, the burnt sienna, Prussian blue, and the gold, and the bronze, and the cell activator. Let's cross our fingers. Hopefully I made the right move. White. I don't want to put so much on this time. Just one drip. Good enough. Black. Good. Well, I'd say that was a benefit. Looking much better. What I'm referring to is thickening up that black cell activator, because in the previous few tiles, which turned out fine, but the black cell activator sunk really quickly into the white, and I wanted it to hold its body a little bit better. And in my mind, that will hold the cells together better. That's our starting point. Lots going on already. It's really nice. I think that black cell activator needed to be thickened up. For me, if I start to see like these pools running through the composition, then I know something's not right. Either some paint is too thin, or it's a cell activator. Which the cell activator should be thinner than the paints, but it shouldn't be like running like a river. It should be affecting the composition in such a way that it's creating cells, but not just like running through like it's a stream in the piece. This is way better. Oh my gosh. Give it a moment to come back. Wow, that one's really nice. I think we've got it now. All right, are we ready? We ready, Freddy? All right, let's give this thing a whirl. All right, here we go, folks. Come on. Ooh, we are slinging the paint. Oh, this one's really nice. Really nice. The white spots I'll fix. That's easy enough. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Let's give it one more whirl. And you know what, I might pack it in after because it's gonna be school maintenance lawn time and it's gonna be really loud. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop. Hope I got enough paint off. Oh, there's still paint. Oh, I'll just pull it off with my finger, I think. So this is where this one ended up. Without a doubt, my best. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, folks. I really appreciate you stopping in, giving my stuff a look, keeping me on track here. And before it gets too loud, I'm gonna sign off. And I really appreciate all you guys helping me and me helping you. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers before I get to North Carolina. So share this with your friends and let's get there. As I will continue to try to show you guys things I learn so you don't have to go through the process. You know, you don't have to sometimes learn things the hard way. So thank you for stopping in, and until next time, take care. So I am so happy with how these turned out. I just pulled off the tape from these today after resining. These are extra tiles that I made that are part of the video I just shared today. This was the star of the show. Resined, finished, so cool. Here's one that I just love. I call that the rainbow tile, the rainbow fish tile, because look at that. It's so cute. And it did it all on its own. These tiles turned out so nice. I'm finally, I don't know if you can see the shimmer. It's so pretty. And then I have these bonus tiles over here that are for the bride. We're gonna keep it quiet. These are the round ones that I made with her color palette. Just gorgeous, all of them. And I'm normally so critical of myself, but I have nothing but good things and good vibes on these. Oh my gosh, so pretty.